Imagine a world where every seed is planted with perfect precision and every harvest is predicted before it even begins. That world is no longer science fiction. Across America, artificial intelligence is transforming the way we grow food and helping farmers feed millions of people more efficiently than ever before. It all begins with the soil. AI systems analyze moisture levels, nutrients, weather patterns, and years of farming data to determine the best way to prepare the land. On vast corn farms across the Midwest, autonomous tractors use GPS and machine learning to prepare thousands of acres with incredible accuracy. Smart planting machines place every corn seed at the perfect depth and spacing, giving each plant the best chance to thrive. Beneath the surface, sensors monitor conditions around the clock, while AI-powered irrigation systems deliver water only where it is needed, reducing waste and conserving valuable resources. High above the fields, drones scan crops every day, identifying diseases, pests, and nutrient deficiencies before they become serious problems. When an issue is detected, AI responds immediately, applying fertilizer and treatments with pinpoint precision. As the months pass, tiny seeds become towering fields of corn stretching to the horizon. AI even predicts the ideal harvest date by combining weather forecasts with crop maturity data. And self-driving harvesters work day and night to bring in the crop before intelligent systems process every kernel with remarkable speed. The same revolution is taking place in America's potato farms. In Idaho, AI helps farmers select the best soil conditions. Robotic machines plant potatoes with unmatched consistency, and smart irrigation systems ensure every root receives exactly the right amount of water. Drones monitor crop health from above, while underground sensors provide real-time insights into growth beneath the soil. When harvest season arrives, autonomous machines collect and sort thousands of potatoes every hour with incredible efficiency. Rice farming is also entering a new era. In Arkansas, AI forecasts rainfall, manages water levels, monitors plant health, and helps farmers maximize every acre of land. Autonomous equipment plants and harvests rice with a level of precision that was once impossible. From corn to potatoes to rice, artificial intelligence is creating a smarter, more productive, and more sustainable future for agriculture. The farms of tomorrow are already here, and this is only the beginning of the next great agricultural revolution.